Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install PowerShell on Windows. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first you should type on Google installing PowerShell on Windows, okay, and then enter. This is the official website where you can download or install my PowerShell. So here, as you can see, we have an option which is PowerShell. Install PowerShell on Windows, on Linux, macOS, and so on. So I'm going to click on Windows, install PowerShell on Windows, okay, and go down. You can install PowerShell in two ways. You can download the setup and install, and you can install it using CMD, okay. So go to CMD and open it, okay. So let me first, you should copy this command, okay. You can click here, copy, and then paste it here, enter. As you can see, the output should look like that. Okay, let me yes, type yes, as you can see. And now copy this link, okay, copy and then paste it here, enter it. It's downloading and installing PowerShell on Windows. So you have to wait. The download is finished. It will install the PowerShell on Windows. Okay. Preparing install. Click on yes. It's installing, as you can see. Successfully installed PowerShell on my Windows. Let's check it out. I'm going to close CMD, minimize the browser, and I'm going to search menu, okay, and type PowerShell. As you can see, this one, PowerShell 7 has been successfully installed on my Windows. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.